You can only enter the Vatican Gardens on a guided tour, either on foot or by bus. We chose the walking tour, a 2 to 3 hour route that brings you closer to the gardens and their details.
Clouds hung overhead that morning, but the air stayed dry. As we stepped inside, the noise of St. Peter's Square slipped away, replaced by winding paths, shaded groves, and the gentle splash of fountains. Spread across 57 acres on Vatican Hill, the gardens felt like a hidden world, half the city-state shaped into a quiet sanctuary.
Angles of the St. Peter's Basilica dome kept revealing themselves as we walked, quiet, breathtaking moments where the great curve of the cupola lifted above the treetops. One turn offered a glimpse through a frame of cypress. Another opened to a wide view where the dome rose like a crown over the greenery.
Formal gardens unfolded in crisp geometry, Italian-style hedges, bright flower beds, tall cypresses, and pines that, from above, form dramatic patterns visible from the St. Peter's Dome. Along the paths, fountains and sculptures appeared like quiet companions. The Eagle Fountain, the Whimsical Frog Fountain, each with water trickling softly into stone basins.
Stay with the video to the end. You'll feel just how relaxing and enjoyable this walk through the Vatican Gardens truly is.